The video is about removing MyPDFConverterSearch, a browser hijacker that changes your default search engine into Yahoo search without your permission. Or alternatively, the default search engine may be changed to something really unfamiliar. MyPDFConverterSearch is a hijacker and a potentially unwanted program. It is considered as potentially unwanted because often it is bundled with some free applications that you might decide to install. However, the installer might not let you know that you are going to install something else. So when the free software is installed, people are often surprised to see a lot of unwanted extra utilities, such as this particular MyPDFConverterSearch hijacker. The developers of this service claim that by installing it, you'll be able to get a helpful tool to convert various files into PDF format or vice versa. But in reality, it actually works as a typical hijacker that creates a lot of problems for you in terms of finding the relevant information. Instead of the relevant data, you see a lot of strange ads popping up and sometimes forwarding you to many unfamiliar pages in the internet. So to fix the issue manually, you need to go to the menu, click on More Tools and now Extensions. Now you need to carefully examine all suspicious extensions in the list. If you see something that is not really familiar to you, be sure to get rid of it. Of course, you don't need to remove all the extensions because some of them may be decent, some of them may be related to Google. After this has been done, I also recommend that you additionally check your Mac and its safety with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. And by the way, there are some great Black Friday deals for Combo Cleaner today. Download the application, install the software, and then perform the scanning of your Mac by clicking on Start Combo Scan button. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually one at a time. So this is the free manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.